Fields so green, cows all around. Chickens cluck, pigs on the ground. Sheep in the meadows, horses free. Life on the farm, come and see. Tractors hum in morning light. Roosters crowing start the day right. Hay bales stacked high in the barn. Farmers work from dusk till dawn. Down on the farm where life is sweet. Fresh air, every breath repeat. Simple joys all around. Love the life we found. Apples ripe, hanging low. Garden full of veggies grow. Sunflowers pointing to the sun. In the fields we have our fun. Every acre tells a tale. Through the fog, wind and hail. In the barns and in the fields, magic of the farm revealed. Swing on the tire near the street. Daily life feels like a dream. Morning dew on every leaf. Joy so simple, no room for grief.